That looks spicy, y'all. Does that not look spicy? What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a try on with a new eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see what I used and how I achieved this look, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and make sure you like this video. So I've already went ahead and moisturized and primed my skin. So next I'm going in with my foundation, and this is Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator, and I'm using the shade 81 Deep. And I'm using quite a bit of this because it's not really like a full coverage foundation. And you know we like full coverage over here. Purr. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'm gonna come back once my base is completed. Okay, so baddies, I'm done with my face. So we're gonna go ahead and start onto the eyes. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette. You guys, I was so excited to receive this, but this is her on the inside. And the color story of this palette is really cute. It's giving me, it's giving the warm tones with the pop of color I like. This palette is like super sleek. It has beautiful snake skin. I can't get over the way it feels. I feel like this feels different than their other naked palettes, but it also feels different than their Born to Run palette. I think that's what it's called. So the palette does come with a dual-ended brush, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it, period. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids. So I did also receive the primer potion, but I'm kind of scared to try this out and then I don't like it, and then I don't want to run the risk. I can't really remember how I used that primer, so we'll save that for a different day. So I'm going in with my Sigma E55 brush. I'm going into the shade right here, Spur, and I'm just going to apply this onto my brow bone. The next shade I'm going into is this brown shade, and this is called Whiskey. Ooh, that's actually really deep, but I'm gonna apply this into my crease. That is a really deep brown, you guys. I do wish that these pans are like the shape of the Born to Run palette, where it was more squared versus the stripes, because it makes it hard for the brushes to get the product. So I'm going into this brick orangey type shade with my Morphe and Nikita brush, and this is their N5 brush, and I'm gonna apply this above Whiskey. I'm just gonna tap it in because she is pigmented. I'm going in with this shade right here called Hold'em, and I'm gonna use this as my my brow bone highlight. Hopefully she's that girl. She did what she needed to do. It's definitely more of a thicker flaky gold versus like a shimmer, so I guess it's more foily, but it still did what it needed to do. So I actually think I'm going to go ahead and work on my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to repeat the same shades I did in my crease on my bottom lash line. So now I'm going in with my ColourPop cream gel liner. This is in the shade Icebreaker. It's like a minty green kind of. And I'm going to apply this on my waterline. And I'm going to use this as my base, sort of. So I'm going into this shade right here. It's like a minty green, sparkly, metallic shadow. And I'm going to place this on top of where I placed Icebreaker. Period. That looks so doll-like. And I'm not even done with my eyes yet. Oh my god. Mommy. So I'm actually, to cut my crease, I'm going in with my primer potion. That looks spicy, y'all. Does that not look spicy? It's giving spicy purr. So I'm gonna go into that brick orange shade Ghost Town, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the edges of that primer. Oh, let me find out this primer potion was hidden. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Oh, this will be so pretty with Hold 'em, the shade I used for my brow bone in the lid. But we're actually gonna go into the shade Rustler. It's like a bronzy penny looking shade. So I've already lined my upper lid with my dark brown eyeliner pencil. So now I'm going into the shade Whiskey, and I'm just gonna tap this on top of that brown. I don't know, I wanted to do something different from the black liner because I feel like I always do a black eyeliner. But who gonna check me, period. But I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shade Hold 'em. This is the same shade I used for my brow bone, and I'm gonna use this for my tear duct. So I'm gonna grab some on my brush and I'm gonna spray it so I can get the maximum pigmentation. So I'm gonna go put on my mascara and lashes and my lippy, and I'm gonna be back with the finished look. Okay, so baddies, this is the completed look. It's giving bronze goddess, it's giving baddie, it's giving, it's not giving I woke up like this. Now I'm lying, but it's giving penny proud. But it's just giving. I love how I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's like really vibrant. And I really wish I could have played with this color I put in my waterline. I really wish I could have played with it on my lid, but imagine if I had on a wig. I feel like that's all I'm missing right now is a wig. I mean, the natural hair is okay. So baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette. If you guys want me to do a different look with different shades, let me know down below with what shades. I don't know if that's the thing, but I wonder how the shades, let me see. I wonder how Pony Up and Laredo would look on me, because those are giving gray, it's giving ash, it's giving charcoal. So maybe I should try that. Nah. Maybe I should try that. If you guys have any ideas, let me know what I should try next. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. And until next time, baddies, bye.